Wait lang. Wag ka dyan. Go, go, go. Show your face. Wow! Wow! Ay, ang pogi naman ang aso namin. Ang pogi-pogi naman ang aso namin. Pogi-pogi. Hi guys! Today I'm with my dog, Snuffle. Snuffle, say hi. Today we will introduce you the 3 topics in advanced engineering mathematics: the infinite series, the matrices, and the determinants. A while ago, I mentioned the 3 topics in advanced engineering mathematics. The first one is the infinite series. We cannot add an infinite number of terms. In the same way, we can add a finite number of terms. Instead, the value of our infinite series is defined in terms of the limit of partial sum. Now, let's try to solve this problem. Find an nth term for the series 1, 1/4, 1/9, 1/16. Our first term is 1. Our second term is 1/4. Our third term is 1/9. Our fourth term is 1/16. Now, let's try to look at our given terms. We can see that all of them have the same numerator but different denominator. Now, let's try to assume. Let our numerator be 1 and our denominator be the nth term. We will get 1, 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4. Now, let's try to square the denominator. Our 1/1 squared will be equals to 1. 1/2 squared will be equals to 1/4. Therefore, 1/n squared will be our nth term. Our second topic is the matrices. Matrix is a collection of numbers arranged into fixed number of rows and columns. Matrix have different types. We have the scalar matrix, the square matrix, the identity matrix, the row matrix, column matrix, diagonal matrix, null or zero matrix, and the triangular matrix. If you want to learn more about the matrices, we can search it on Google. For now, let's focus on this problem. This video is all about the multiplication of matrix. Matrix A is equals to 2, 3, 3, 10, and matrix B is equals to 1, 3, 5, and -2. Find AB and BA. Since the row of matrix A is equals to the column of matrix B, then matrix A and matrix B are conformable and AB is possible. First, we will multiply the row of the matrix A to the column of matrix B. 2 times 1 plus 3 times 5. Then 3 times 1 plus 10 times 5. Then 2 times 3 plus 3 times negative 2. Then 3 times 3 plus 10 times negative 2. Two times 1 plus 3 times 5 is equals to 17. 3 times 1 plus 10 times 5 is 53. 2 times 3 plus 3 times negative 2 is equals to 0. 3 times 3 plus 10 times negative 2 is equals to negative 11. Therefore, AB is equals to 17, 0, 53, and negative 11. On our next problem, find BA. Since the column of matrix A is equals to the row of matrix B, then matrix A and matrix B is conformable and BA is possible. First, we will multiply 1 times 2 plus 3 times 3. 5 times 2 plus negative 2 times 3. Then 1 times 3 plus 3 times 10. Negative 2 ay 5 times 3 and negative 2 times 10. (11), 4, 33, and negative 5. One times 2 plus 3 times 3 is 11. 5 times 2 times negative 2 times 3 is 4. 1 times 3 plus 3 times 10 is 33. And 5 times 3 plus 2, negative 2 times 10 is negative 5. BA is equals to 11, 33, 4, and negative 5. Our third topic is the determinants. Determinants is a number associated with a square matrix. It is one of the most important topics in matrices that we need to understand. It is special because of its wide range of applications, like solving the area of a triangle, the inverse of a matrix, or even solve the linear equations. Now let's try this. Find the values of t that will satisfy the equation t minus 1, 2, 3, t minus 2 is equals to 0. Today, we will use D as an order of 2. A1, A2, B1, and B2. A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. We will apply this to our equation. 0 is equals to t minus 1 times t minus 2 minus 3 times 2. T minus 1 times t minus 2 is equals to t squared minus 3t plus 2. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Then we will simplify this to t squared minus 3t. 2 minus 6 is equals to negative 4. Then we will factor this out. T minus 4 times t plus 1. We will equate it to 0. T will be equals to 4 and t will be equals to negative 1. After solving 3 problems in 3 different topics, I hope you guys learned something. If you want to learn more or to understand more, you can check this YouTube channel or click the link below. Thank you!